Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Pratiksha Agarwal and this is part 5 of the series in which I am going to teach you how to solve puzzles in the easiest way possible. Students, before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. So students, this is a reference question. Let's solve this first. A, B, C, D, E, F and G are 7 different boxes packed with different numbers written on top of them with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 but not necessarily in the same order. So our paragraph 1 says that there are 7 boxes and 7 different numbers are written on the top of them and they are arranged in a certain pattern but not necessarily in the same pattern which is given here. So let's move on to the clues. Box D is immediately above the box packed with number 5. So students, I am going to highlight this line because this is not the starting clue or the very first clue which we want to solve this puzzle. Now next it is given more than 3 boxes are there between box packed with number 4 and box packed with number 2. So this is also not the clue which we want to start this puzzle or the arrangement of this puzzle. So I'm going to highlight this line or this statement also so that we can come here later. Okay, there are 2 boxes between box B and box E. So this is the statement which we want. And how do we know about which statement is the very first statement to solve the puzzle? This will come when you practice more and more puzzles. Okay, so let's solve this. So I have taken 2 cases. In the first case, let's suppose I have placed E here and B below E. So there were 2 boxes between box E and box B. So in the first case, I have placed B below E. In the second case, I have placed B above E. 2 boxes. Uh, box B is 2 boxes above box E in case number 2. Now next it is given there is only one box between box E and box G. So students, as you can see that as soon as we found that one statement to start the puzzle, the next statement is again the linking statement. Okay. The linking statement means here we have placed box B and box E. Then in the very next statement, box E and the other box, you can find the clue between box E and the other box. So this is the linking statement. Okay. The linking statement means any statement which is linked to either box E or box B. So the statement is there is only one box between box E and box G. Okay. So in case number 1, let's place box G above box E. G is placed one box above E in case number 1 and in case number 2 I'll place G below box E. So there are 3 boxes between box G and box A which is packed with number 1. So here which means box A. So box A is packed with number 1 and there are 3 boxes between box G and box A. Okay, so in the first statement we cannot place box A above G. Okay, so we will place box A below G in the first case. So there were 3 boxes between G and A. So count with me 1, 2 and 3 boxes. Now A is assigned number 1. It is given in the statement itself. And in case number 2, G is placed above. We will place box A above box G. Because there is no place to, we cannot place box A below box G in case number 2. So we have placed box A above G and A is assigned number 1. There are only 2 boxes between box A and box C which is packed with number 6. So box C is packed with number 6 and there are 2 boxes between box A and C. So in case number 1, we will place C above A and it is packed with number 6. In case number 2, we will place C below A and it is packed with number 6. Next, it is given the box packed with number 2 is immediately above box G. So immediately above box G means here is the box which is packed with number 2 in case number 1. Now in case number 2, students, you can see that above box G already there is a box which is assigned a number which is assigned or which or you can say that number 6 box is already placed above G. So which means that case number 2 is wrong. So our case number 2 is wrong. Now we will focus only on case number 1. More than 3 boxes are there between box packed with number 5 and the box packed with number 4. So we don't know where box number 5 and box number 4 are placed. So I am going to highlight this point also so that we can come here later. Next it is given box E is packed with number 3. So we will assign number 3 to box E. Okay. Now let's come back to the blue highlighted portion which says box D is immediately above the box packed with number 5. So in case number 1, if you see that if we place or if we assign number 5 to box G, then we can place D here at this position. So let's do that. Let's assign number 5 to box G and then we can place D just above box number 5. Now linking to this box number 5 there is a yellow highlighted portion which says more than 3 boxes are there between box packed with number 5 and box packed with number 4. Okay, so there should be more than 3 boxes between box number 5 and box number 4. So count with me 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can place box number 4 here at the bottom. So we have placed box number 4 here. Now the statement linking to box number 4 is the red highlighted portion which says more than 3 boxes are there between box packed with number 4 and box packed with number 2. So here this is box number 4 and on the top of this arrangement there is box number 2 and between them you can see that the number of boxes are more than 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 boxes between box number 4 and box number 2 which is really clearly more than 3. Okay, so all the highlighted portions are covered. Now you can see that there is one vacant place and only one box is left to be placed which is box number F and only one number is left to be assigned which is number 7. So this is our required arrangement of the boxes. Okay. Case number 1 is the required arrangement of boxes. Now let's move on to the very first question. So this is the first question, students, and the question says which of the following box is packed with number which is a perfect square. Now out of all these numbers you can see that 4 is only a number which is a perfect square. So the answer should be box number B. Box number B is packed with a perfect square. So here the answer should be option number 2. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. How many boxes are there between box A and box which is packed with number 5? So this is the box packed with number 5 and this is box A. I have drawn a line like this. Now we have to count the number of boxes. So you can see that there are 3 number of boxes between the box packed with number 5 and box A. So the answer should be option number 4 which is 3. Let's see the answer. See, we got the correct answer again, students. Now let's move on to the last question. What is the sum of what is the sum of the number of box D and box F? Okay, so box D is 2 and box F is 7. So the sum 2 plus 7 is 9. So the answer should be option number 5, 9. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer again, students. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. I'll try to solve it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.